Yo, if you want to know if the police are tapping your phone, do this, okay? Look, okay? If it says this disabled, then you're good. If anything says able, that means they're on you.
Does that actually work? Oh my god. Yes and no. This is just a call forwarding menu, but if your calls are being forwarded without you knowing, I guess that could count as you being tapped. If your phone actually is tapped, chances are you'll never really know. There's another menu that you can check also. Mine says enabled because it does forward to my other phones.